What's up, guys? Crystal Bash here. So, just wanted to let you guys know on the outcast, I am still working on it. We got the front done. We have the front diff in. We have the RPM arms on. We have the damn rack. We got shocks in. We got sway bar links in. We got the bumper on. But we tore the rest of it apart. I told you it was going to be a long video, but I showed you guys how to build the front diff, so I mean that was a long video in itself. I didn't even upload it yet, edit yet. Had something else come up, but I just got done building the rear diff here. New bearings. We went with 200 in the center with a little bit of waterproof green grease, and so we got the center diff built. Probably gonna install that in the morning. Once again, it's getting late, and this guy is causing me all kinds of time and effort. So I picked up a new laptop, and I'm just trying to sync it with my phone so I can get some better camera quality, so you don't hear this crap in the background. My phone is a 7. It shouldn't be that bad, but I don't get it. So I figured I'd just build, you guys know how to take that apart. I just show you the shimming of the diffs, how to make them a little bit stronger, less play in the in the drives, and share my 60 weight in the front. We're gonna go 2 in the back and about 40-50 in the rear, and I think that's pretty good for the outcast. I still got the RPM arms on the back to put on, but I still gotta take the whole diff apart. I found in the center of this diff was just grease, just good old lithium grease. Not very thick, no silicone at all. So I don't know if someone took that apart or that's how they came. I have no idea, but still got the stock pinion, stock motors, stock ESC, stock servo, which now that that's sitting there, I don't know if I want to put it back in. She kind of slow, and I did up my joints so they're nice and it might need to go a little looser with it. If I put that servo back in, I'll definitely need to loosen up these guys here. He didn't have any sway bar rub screws, so this is just wandering about, but I think I got some. But yeah, she's starting to She's starting to look up. Just a little RPM love, everybody. You know, that's all you need. Go out there and survive. I got the skid plate. You know, maybe it won't bend right away. Man, I should have sprung for the better stand there, guys. That was a raw deal. You know. Yeah. Oh, I did switch out the tactic. You know, I can't do anything with it. It's alright, radio. I'll put it in something. I'll put it in, you know, probably the 18th scale buggy. You know, I'll probably throw that in here. Well, I don't need to adjust endpoints or anything, and you know, this is pretty old school right here. I put this little piece of vinyl on here because I run it in the house with my kid, and he picks it up, and I don't want him to touch the motor, so he'll burn himself because it's on carpet, so it gets a little hot, but it's fun. We build cardboard jumps, you know. And then tomorrow, after I put this center together, I'm gonna do an unboxing for my hobby shop, local hobby shop, located in New Britain, and I'm trying to get him to get some people in there that want, you know, certain rigs. He's got the connects to get them. He's got Horizon cars in there. He's got Traxxas in there. He's got, right now, honestly, the TRX, the Bronco body. I think he has it down to like $4.99. I kind of want to grab it myself with the Bronco body on it. It's up there still. So I'm trying to figure out this comment, like, dislike deal. I don't know where they went, and I'm sure it has to do with this laptop and some privacy thing or some new kid bull. But yeah, update. Front back together, center out, going back together. Motor still pretty smooth. I'm hoping that right there are new motor bearings, because let me know, am I supposed to put bearings in here instead of this rubber crap, or is this how it comes? I'll look it up in the I'll watch another YouTuber instead of just building and going on my own. But yeah, this is Crystal Bash, so hit me up, leave a comment. New subscriber, Rich Jeff. Yeah, comment, buddy. I could read them in the studio part. So if you want me to build you a shock, I'll show you a trick, unless you already picked it up. Not many people know about it. So we'll lower that slash right down to the ground, and you know, put some power to it and get it to hook up. So Jeff from that live chat, this is Crystal Bash. Comment so I can make you that shaft, buddy. Real quick. Thanks. Bye.